How to create random spinner selector using PowerPoint presentation. Go to the Microsoft PowerPoint and click New Slide. Then choose Blank. Then go to Insert and then choose Insert Chart. In here, click Pie Chart and click OK. This little Excel window will serve as our editing tool to decide how many divisions we will cut the pie. It depends also on how many participants you want to include on it. Say for example, I have 10 participants. To cut the pie with similar measurement, on the second column of the first participant, I will put an Excel computation, which is equals 360, which is 360 degrees is the degrees of the whole pie divided by the number of participants, which is 10. Then click Enter. When the result pop up, drag it downward up to the last participants. Make sure that all data are highlighted. As you see, the slices of the pie have similar measurements in accordance to my participants. At this part, we may now remove some elements which is not needed. To continue to use this as a shape, let us first cut it. Then, click Paste and select Paste Special. Then select Picture Enhance Metafile and click OK. The pie is not anymore a chart but a shape. Now let us ungroup them. Just right-click and select Group. And then choose Ungroup. Click Yes. Let's ungroup it again. To ungroup the slices and group again. You can see now it's broken down to individual shape. Now we can manipulate the individual shape. Now let us go to Home and select Arrange. And then select Selection Panel. In the selection panel, you would notice that the slices has been doubled. From 10, it became 21. Now let us delete some slices which is not needed. I would first delete the Auto Shape. Auto Shape is not needed. Then hold the Control key and select Alternatively. You can press the Delete key or just press on your keyboard Ctrl+X. Now let us count if the shape has 10 slices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can also notice that each of which has own slices, and now we're ready. Just like this one. We can change also the colors of the slices by just clicking the shape fill. Just like this one. We can also build this shape with only one color. I would like to change the colors alternately. I would choose this one. Let us remove the selection pane. And now let us put names of participants or students inside each slices. But the problem, if we click the edit text, the text itself do not have exactly the same direction. Sometimes it is horizontal, sometimes vertical, and sometimes or mostly it overlaps the slices, especially if the names are longer. The best way of doing this is to add text box. Let us insert text box. You can also rotate the name. Just like this one. If we are done, we can also duplicate the name. Okay, so we can also rotate this one, but there is another way on how to do it. Another way to center the text is to go to shape format. This is the shape format and click rotate. Then choose more rotation options. On the rotation, you can click it upward and downward. So this one. You can click it upward and then the name will automatically rotate on the position that you want. That's how the rotation on the shape format works. And then we can also change this one. It depends also on you on what type of techniques you want to apply in order for you to work faster. We are already done. The next thing now is to regroup all the shapes and text box that we had created. We are just going to select all and then right click and then select group. We can also increase the size or shape of our circle. Let us add now animation. Click the shape and choose animations. On the animations, add spin, which can be found on the emphasis category. Open the animation pane and click Group 40. On the Group 40, the spin tab will pop up and you are going to choose timing. On the timing, you can choose the duration. So I am going to choose here 1 second. This is the spin of the shape. And then choose repeat. You are going to click until the next click. And then don't forget to click triggers. On the trigger, choose start effect. And then it will appear the group 40. And then click OK. As you see, the shape now is spinning. Let's add another animation. We are going now to click Add Animation and click Appear. On the animation pane, click again the Group 40 and then you are going to choose Timing. On the Timing, you are going to click Trigger and then click Start Effect on click of Group 40 and then click OK. Let us now try it. Let us go to the slideshow and click from current slide. Click the mouse and it starts spinning. If you click it again, it will stop. That's how trigger works. And then now, we can also add shapes. Go to insert and then to shapes. We can also choose here arrow, this one. Let's put it here the other way around and then we are going to center it. Then we can also change the color of this shape. You can also choose here, this one. Let's try it again. Now our random spinner is ready to use.